Hey everyone, today I want to demonstrate how to create a Disney-style AI poster. Firstly, you need to open your browser. As soon as your browser opens, you should type Bing AI Image Generator. After typing, click on it. Once you click, a new format will be turned off. As soon as the new format opens in front of you, you will see the first link. Image created from Microsoft Bing. You should click on this link. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. In this format, you just need to create a Disney-style movie poster about the disaster girl. The movie title is Hope. After typing this, you should simply press Enter. After pressing Enter, your images will start to generate. You can see here that it is generating. As soon as the loading is complete, your image will be generated. There you go. Your image has been generated. If you want to see it, take your cursor over the image and click on it. After clicking, a new format will start to open in front of you. As soon as the new format opens in front of you, you can see that it is the image you created. It has been created according to your instructions. If you want to download this photo, you will find a download button here. Click on it, and your image will be generated. Let's close this. After closing, you can see you can generate more such images in this way. You can create different images by giving different prompts. This will generate images according to your preferences. This was the method for creating AI Disney posters. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.